Are you an organization which is planning to transform your business completely to increase the sales and revenues and to decrease the cost of your business? Don't you worry, we got your back. So, we provide various solutions as to how to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of your business. So, we are Team 6, and the key people in our group are myself, Janvi, we have Surabhi, we have Nima, Mehdi, Ramot, Hassan, and Harsh. So we are One Click Solutions. We provide various consulting services in the field of cloud computing, digital transformation, and automation. So we are currently based out of Vancouver, British Columbia, but we do also provide the online services all over the globe.
Hello everyone, my name is Nima and I'm going to talk about introduction. The company that we choose is Geo-Pacific Consultations Limited, which is a geotechnical engineering consultancy established in 1985 and headquartered in Vancouver in British Columbia. Since its inception, they have been involved in over than 20,000 projects within the lower mainland and beyond. And the company also has offices in Kelowna, Calgary, Kamloops, and Victoria in addition to Vancouver. They have great experience in providing geotechnical solutions that are both creative and economical. They provide technical services such as materials testing and soils, aggregate, and asphalt. Geophysical surveys, locating utilities, and designing and monitoring erosion and sediment control systems. Some companies have limited time to account something or for accounting, and they only focus on their main core product. And also, they don't have such an advanced system for their accounting. So we are going to help the accounting department of this company. And by the way, our company name is One Click Solution, and we are going to offer different solutions to the accounting department of Geo-Pacific Limitation. Here is agenda. The consulting team provides comprehensive tax accounting advice, statutory accounting, payroll services, and tax administration services to a variety of local companies and foreign entities. We have extensive experience as we are part of a powerful and multidisciplinary organization. With us, they get all-in-one support combining top services and advice with expertise in all tax areas to help you efficiently address your global challenges in an increasingly complex world. We not only provide you with answers, we also deliver solutions tailored to your specific needs and have the ability to adapt as these needs change, whatever the nature and size of your business. Our team's local presence, up-to-date, regular knowledge, and tax technology can help you meet compliance obligations, identify tax risks, and design solutions. We are motivated and inspired by the dynamic environment of our firm, committed to excellence and teamwork. And we believe that trust and dedication go hand in hand. This creates the value you are looking for. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Mehdi Shojai. I want to talk about difference between digital transformation and business transformation. A few keys different between digital and business transformation are essential to understand before starting the digital transformation. I divided it in 6 parts. 1. Digital transformation is a focus on technology and change in equipment to improve business performance, whereas business transformation is a more comprehensive approach involving organizational and culture changes to consider on business procedure. 2. We know that digital transformation has been changing rapidly in the world, so it's faster, and also digital transformation needs new technologies, so it's more complex. 3. Digital transformation needs a higher level of investment than business transformation. 4. Digital transformation is one tool that can be used to achieve business transformation, but other elements must be considered to transfer business successfully. In a word, digital transformations is a mechanism for business transformations. 5. Digital transformations purpose is to increase the efficiency and effectiveness of business, while business transformations purpose to change the nature of the business. At the end, 6. Digital transformations tends to be more incremental, while business transformations can be much more sweeping. This section is about benefits of digital transformation. 1. Reduce procure to pay time. Automation helps speed up the business by gathering data and send them directly to business system without the need for entering them by hand. 2. Capture early payment discounts. It helps that invoices are processed faster and data is accessed directly from the ERP system. 3. Improve vendor and customer relations. If pay accounts manage faster with more precision, it will make a strong and loyal relationship with the supplier. As a result, customer will be satisfaction. 4. Standardization. It helps to have a set to track the special standard. As a result, it increases system performance. 5. Automated functions. Automated services such as purchase orders, invoice making, and money payment have increased financial institution efficiency. Next, faster performance. Using data analysis and other machine learning tools help some process like budget anticipation become more accessible and faster. At the end, insight-driven functions. Data analysis helps to have accuracy predict from a financial outcome and make better business decision.
So I would like to talk about the impact of digital transformation. It is a process of reorganizing and reshaping the finance and accounting function using technology to recreate the efficient system and processes without replacing the traditional system. Digital transformation also signifies the financial services landscape, driving institutions to transform operations and providing new impetus to seamless digital services. So let's talk about the importance of digital transformation. Digital transformation is important in the financial industry because it provides multiple benefits as listed below. One of them is standardization, the other one is automated functions, and the last one is faster. The last but not the least is faster performance and insight-driven function. So I would like to brief one of them each. The standardization is a financial processes that follow definite standard resulting to overall improve performance of the system. While the automated functions, it helps to automate the processes that were performed manually. While the faster performances it is the use of data analytics and other machine learning to makes the month-end cycles more faster. And the last one is the insight-driven function. Artificial intelligence and data analytics insight on the financial models based on the data collected.
Now, since the COVID-19 pandemic, the business world has been rapidly evolving, and this has created a highly competitive method of business processes, and most organizations are changing their operation processes. Digital transformation starts in the stage of business as usual. In this stage, long-standing processes are used for daily operations, and then it moves on to the printed and active, where latest trends, create a need for digital literacy and creativity. Your accounting department is in this transformation stage as they have seen a need to undertake this change. Our firm is here to help devise ways, methods in which to make a strategic plan to create new methods and processes that you can incorporate into your operation that improves the roles and responsibility of the employees. We ensure smooth transition from this stage to the innovative and adaptive stage where the processes now becomes the business as usual.
Hi, my name is Supi. So I'm gonna talk about how my company can improve their accounts with the help of the recommendations, benefits, and their progress assessments. So my first slide would be what I can recommend so that they can change their accounts. So they should have create an action plan. Like solution to the accounting pain points of geographical organization don't necessarily have to involve technology. But as a part of digital transformation, a company should investigate how technology and better data can help in each area of their business. Accordingly, there is a need to create a clear action of the plan for acquiring and implementing the technological solution. Create a communication plan to explain the change to the accounting term. They should address employee concern and quickly get feedback on hiccups. For example, a company can give regular progress updates of a company meetings in newsletters or a chart posted in lunchroom. A useful strategy is to regularly invite employees to come up with the ideas for innovation. So the training programs to motivate working for the latest technologies being adopted because the employees working in the accounting department may not get negative for the working in the latest technology. So moving forward to the benefits. My first benefit is increased flexibility. When an IT transformation will be done effectively, the geographical company will be able to respond to the market and accounting needs. So as we all know that in 2020 that year has been the biggest upset in a regular business practices since we can remember, and it's time like this all to illustrate the importance of flexibility and adaptability in the business. Second, they should improve their operating model to increase the accounts for their business. And then improved worker collaboration. Digital transformation can also provide a shared data environment, improving collaborations between the accounting departments with other departments, which can help in speeding up their workflow. Last but not the least, increased transparency. The integration of SAP system or QuickBooks will also shine a brighter light on the current accounting progress, helping to identify the trends and patterns may not have otherwise been seen, but the ability to dive into deeper into them day to day in a real times enables a steadier pulse in aspect of the business. For example, both the customer and success team and the accounting team would be able to see which clients are behind on a payment and could address the problems more quickly rather than simply waiting on accounting to loop. Last, cost saving. A lot of organizations have spent a good amount of money and time simply maintaining an old legacy system and a product. Undergoing a digital transformation could not only save money upfront, but it will also save both time and money. Once the money company go live with the integration more different efficiently. Last, so my last slide is progress assessment. So the first point should be establishing their key points elements. The company should set goals for digital transformation of accounting department begins. They want to lay out your expectations and ideal outcomes. What do you hope to accomplish to implementing the new technologies or process? Knowing where you want to go will help you to measure if you are on the right side or not. Then establishing important key point indicators. The company should cover what indicators to consider in a minute, but narrowing in only a few metrics that align with the goals company established can keep focused on achieving them. In addition to determining which elements you're going to work, provide reasoning for why you choose them. Lastly, implementing those analyses, geographical company need the right tool in place to measure those indicators and track process. Therefore, they should identify what kind of data they need to accurately measure indicators and implement. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Harsh and I'm going to talk about challenges. So the first challenge is waiting for a chance to accept and incorporate new technologies, which means that when it comes to taking risk, the accounting sector and the consulting sectors are among the most risk averse in the business world. And as a result, the company try to implement the new technologies and they may encounter pushbacks from the employees or its customers. The second is difficulty in grasping new information provided by digital channel. So the workers might experience feeling of intimidation or suspicion when the new technologies are introduced, and the workers are also concerned that the software is taking their jobs. They are also concerned that it will take too much time to remedy the problem or to find the solution of the problem. And because of this unfamiliarity, the new digital channels, some workers may be hesitant to automate their process. And the initial challenge is in the form of financial difficulties. So during the digital transmission or transformation, the firm will have short-term economic challenge, which will result in decrease in its ROA and ROE, that is return on equity. And the transition to digital for accounting firms is difficult and costly, and there might be some mishappening in the whole process. And the last is perspective of the customer. So there is a possibility that customer will be unhappy because of the firm, and they may feel the result of changes in operating procedures or faults in implementation process, and there is some possibility that customer will become less loyal because the concerns may arise in the data breach or the data security may emerge if more customers or if the more information is exchanged in a short amount of time, which means that there is a need for digital transformation and we might have a solution for this. Thank you.
Because of data transformation, many challenges will arise. Some of these challenges include resistance to accepting change management, changing the methods of operation that employees are already comfortable doing will definitely come with reluctancy as some employees are willing to learn new processes. So in order to mitigate these challenges, a clear digital roadmap is crucial to ensure smooth and seamless transition, which includes a solid plan on training employees how to use the accounting software, and it has to be designed to be simple and user friendly as possible. Another challenges that might arise in the course of digital transformation is the performance expectancy and reliability. As most employees are not really conversant with the new technology, it will be very hard for them to comprehend and know the reliability or the performance expectancy in their respective job roles and responsibilities. In order to help them smooth transformation process, we adopt a software that is easy and requires less effort. Adopting and embedding these new technologies help the organization to compete in highly digitalized world, so as help them reduce costs and makes the role and responsibility of employees effective and efficient. Another challenges that might arise in the course of digital transformation is the performance expectancy and reliability. As most employees are not really conversant with the new technology, it will be very hard for them to comprehend and know the reliability or the performance expectancy in their respective job roles and responsibilities. In order to help them smoothing transformation process. In the course of data transformation, many challenges will arise. Some of these challenges include resistance to accepting change management, changing the methods of operation that employees are already comfortable doing. We're definitely willing to learn new processes. So in order to mitigate these challenges, a clear digital roadmap is crucial to ensure smooth and seamless transition, which includes a solid plan on training employees how to use the accounting software, and it has to be designed to be simple and user friendly as possible. Thank you.
Conclusion. It's obvious from the information given that the organization would gain a lot from going through a digital transformation. They might cut down on the quantity of the paper trash produced by automation their accounting process and save time and money on storage expenses. Additionally, automating their accounting process would increase their efficiency, enable them to serve their client better, and facilitate decision making.